In today's video, we are going to learn what is the difference between Node.js and Express.js. So let's start. Node.js is something that is built on top of, browser. Like JavaScript is a language that can be used which is a properly server-side language. So, uh, our browsers can understand the JavaScript and can run JavaScript in it. Like if we use console, uh, let's say any other inspect, and we can run it here. Like here we can run JavaScript console dot log. Hello. Oh, I'm so sorry. Console dot log. Hello. So this is a JavaScript which like runs the JavaScript. It means our browser can run JavaScript in it. A guy named Ryan Dahl did what? He took the V8 engine out of the browser and coded it in a manner so that our desktop now can run JavaScript in our computer. Like our computer can now run JavaScript. So C++ has MinGW, Java has JVM and these kind of etc. things. So for JavaScript, when we needed to run that on our machine, what we did, like not we, Randall did, that he made it a Node.js so that we can run JavaScript in our uh, desktop. So Node.js runs JavaScript, and the second is it is built on V8 engine. Now, Node.js can handle has a lot of uh, what do we say that header files in C, but libraries. Okay, uh, JavaScript has a lot of libraries. What which is used to do a certain set of things. So there's a library called HTTP. Using HTTP, what we can do that we can write uh, server-side code so that we can accept the user request and send it according to the need. We can authorize, we can use the routing, and taking that uh, in the next point, it when we do routing, actually JavaScript, Node.js has a routing of manual things. Like if we want to uh, create a route where, let's say, there is HTTP Facebook slash IDMN. What it does that for my ID, it has a specific certain code. Okay, I mean certain URL. Whenever you like search it on browser, you see certain different kinds of URL. So, but it has a certain similar part like here http facebook slash id equals to is the same part in both the url. Here is the id name aman and here is the sita. So to do that we need to create multiple manual route. Okay, we need to write a route for aman and we need to write a route for sita. This create a lot of complexity in our code, so this is not a very good practice. To avoid that, we created like dynamic routing. And let see what is dynamic routing. What it does that it dynamically assigns the value in the route. Like Aman is dynamically assigned and Sita is dynamically assigned. So we will study about that in later videos. And the last point is it is the core of the backend. As I have previously told you that JavaScript, I mean Node.js is basically made it so that we can run server side backend code in our desktop to like improve the coding experience. Now, Express.js is nothing but a smaller part of Node.js. What it does, it is a framework of Node.js. So, Express is a smaller part of Node.js that is created using Node.js so that it simplifies the experience of writing code in our desktop. Like whenever we tends to write server-side language, I mean server code, I mean backend code. So what we can do that we can we have to create a lot of things like routing, authentication, connection, and I mean uh, a lot of things which are also I don't remember the word particularly for like creating schema, yeah, schema, these kind of things. For like these kind of things we need we use HTTP handlers, which is also provided in Node.js. But to simplify that, we created Express.js. Like let's say you can use uh, you can use the desktop command version also create to do the same work, but we have created uh, a GUI so that we can easily understand that what is so we can like easily like use the desktop. Now Express is created for like simplifying routing. Routing is the same thing which I told you here. We use here dynamic routing, and there is middleware support. In Node.js, we don't have middleware support. Middleware support is something like if a user send a request to the server, it goes before to a middleware before sending the request to the server. And the third is we can create easily APIs. We can easily create APIs using Express. And the third is we can easily and quickly build backend code. So this is the main difference between Express and Node.js. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, you can like the video. You can like the video, and if you have any feedback, you can comment it on the channel. And if you are lazy, then you can only just like and dislike according to your need or according to your wish. So thank you for listening. See you.